everyone, welcome back to How to Doctor. For today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to record WhatsApp video call with audio. Let's start this tutorial by opening the WhatsApp on your device. The simple way for you to record your WhatsApp video call with audio is to use your device's screen recording feature. For example, when you're currently having a video call with someone, then simply swipe down on the upper right corner to open your control center. Next, tap and hold the screen recording icon, or simply this icon right here. Next, tap the microphone button below to turn it on. Now you can simply tap the start recording, and with that, everything on your screen will be recorded, including the audio of it, while you're having a video call. If you're done with the call, then you can simply tap the red icon at the top of your screen to stop recording, and it will automatically save it on your photos. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.